everyone, welcome to Make It Monday. My name is Leslie and I'm the Reading Safari and Stream Coordinator for Monterey County Free Libraries. Today we're going to be exploring the concept of motion through art. The other day I was playing around with some food coloring and a straw, and I realized that I could make something really cool with just a straw and food coloring and a piece of paper. So I thought it would be fun to share that. And it's also a really good exploration of how motion works. So motion is the action or process of moving or being moved. So say I'm gonna pick up my glasses and put them on my face. That is motion. If I push them to the side, that's motion as well. And when I pull them back to the middle, that's also motion. When I take them off, that's an example of motion. So we move all kinds of things in all kinds of ways, including our own bodies every single day. And we use our own bodies to move things. So today I'm going to show you how force works in art. Force is what allows a variety of objects to be pushed, pulled, stopped, slowed down. And so for this project, you are going to need just a few things. You will need a thick piece of paper. If you have it, I'm using cardstock. You can use construction paper. If you don't have either one of those, a regular piece of paper is fine. You will need a straw, some food coloring, however many colors you have is up to you. I've got 4 here, and then something like a tray to paint on to keep it from going everywhere. So grab your materials and let's get started. Okay, to get started on this project, just place your paper on your tray and then grab some of your food coloring, and we're going to make some dots all over your paper or wherever you want them to be. They don't have to be all over. And then grab your straw and blow through it. And did you see what happened when I blew? Pretty cool, huh? And then from there you can keep blowing if you'd like. So that's a good illustration of how force works. The force of the air from my lungs coming through the straw onto the food coloring and making it move like that, that is motion. So we're going to try it again with some more colors. I've got my yellow here. I'm gonna blow on it like I did the red. Now I'm going to add some of my green. And I'm going to use my straw once again to blow. And do you see how it goes different directions depending on how you're blowing on it? So when I'm blowing coming from this way, it goes like that. But then when I come from this way, it goes in a different direction. I think that's really cool. I'm working on some blue now. And just to play around a little bit with mixing colors, I'm going to put a drop of blue and a drop of red right here, and see what happens when we have those two together. And it's not exactly purple like it normally would be. Looks more black than anything, but it's a good way to add more color. The cool thing about this project is you can just add as much as you want. You can keep trying to mix colors together and see what you get. And you can't really go wrong because it all looks really awesome no matter what you do. So I think we'd all agree that this looks pretty cool, you know? And I did it all with the force of the air from my lungs through this straw. Okay, friends, see, this is how we explore motion through art. Just one way we do that. I like by looking at this, you can see the painting moving. You can see the motion in the painting. I think that's really awesome. And like everything else I make, it's not perfect, but that's okay because I really like being creative and I really like making things regardless of how they look. And what's even cooler is that you can tie in some science to this. You always think that art and science aren't related, but they are. They very much are. They're part and parcel of each other. And I really love how you can feel the movement in this painting. So thank you so much, my friends, for joining me for this week's Make It Monday. I hope you have a beautiful week. I hope you make some beautiful things. Of course, we'd love to see what you're making. Please tag us in your social media so that we can see. And until next time, I wish you well, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.